just wanted to take a second to explain how this video is going to go. First off, Jacob is in his purple sidekick from this view, and he will be the first person. Most of the time it will be the first section you see, followed by me in my bright orange and red Ripper doing a third-person view of Jacob, because the kid is a 10-year-old who is just crushing it on Class 2-3 whitewater. While it may not seem too big or too scary to adults, this stuff is awesome for my 10-year-old and for myself to have some amazing father-son time.
Hookah chaka, hookah, hookah, hookah chaka, hookah, hookah, hookah chaka, hookah, hookah, hookah chaka, hookah, hookah.
I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. Girl, you just don't realize what you do to me. When you hold me in your arms so tight, you let me know everything's alright. I'm hooked on a feeling. I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. Lips as sweet as candy, its taste is on my mind. Girl, you got me thirsty for another cup of wine. Got a bug from you, girl, but I don't need no cure. I just stay a victim if I can for sure.
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
All alone, keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on. Hooked on a feeling. I'm high on believing that you're in love with me.
Good job, dude.
All the good love when we're all alone. Keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on.
Welcome to
Hooked on a feeling. I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. I'm hooked on a feeling, and I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. I said I'm hooked on a feeling, and I'm high on believing that you're in love with me.
Born in the stable with nothing to do. We make a game out of throwing our shoes. Lead me in the water, but not to the track. Show me a saddle and I'll say, hey, get off my back. All in favor, say, hey! We like the flavor of, hey! We're gonna praise all of our days until they take us away and turn us into glue. But Mr. Reynolds said, may the horse be with you. 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 May the horse be with you every day.
boy, that escalated quickly.
Truck by the Phillies, they like me, of course. They all dig my band, yeah, I'm a rockin' horse. You gotta take off your spurs to ride me, you know. If you want me to stop, just yell out, whoa. All in favor, say, hey! We like the flavor of, hey! horse be with you. May the 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 horse be with you every day.
Help! Boat?
1, 2, 3.
I'm sorry, did we get that on camera?
How are you not dead?
I have no idea.
The worst case scenario just happened. You know what that means? Everything else is gravy. Dude, but honestly, you paddling that was perfect. Did you feel like you were going down, you turned your boat, you edged into the current, you braced for it, you paddled in. Everything was perfect. You know how I knew it was perfect? Because you caught him. If it was unperfect, you would have been sideways and goofy. That was awesome, my guy. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Alrighty.
My tongue is tied to tonsils and I need to shit and shave. I'm a shade too pale for handsome and have habits I can't shake. But if you try to take that from me, well, I'll never be the same train wreck that I am. And I am what I am, what I am, what I am, a train wreck that I am. And I am what I am, what I am, what I am, a train wreck.
There you go, bust right.
And as long as it's okay with you, I think I'll stay right here. Got nowhere to go, 'cause where to go is up to you, dude. Happy as a clam, I see the glimmer in your eyes. Through the night and watch that Colorado sunrise.
No car and never cared because I got no place to go. Live in a room and single wall and couldn't pay a plant to grow. You can try to make this pretty, pick up all my dirty clothes. And if you never really get me, then I guess you'll never know the train wreck that I am. And I am what I am, what I am, what I am, a train wreck that I am.
Hey, y'all, watch this!
I am what I am, what I am, what I am, a train wreck.
On each hand for every mistake that I've made. Plus my tongue is tied to tonsils and I need to shit and shave. I'm a shade too pale for handsome and have habits I can't shake. But if you try to take that from me, well, I wouldn't be the same train wreck
That I am. And I am what I am, what I am, what I am, a train wreck that I am. And I am what I am, what I am, what I am, a train
I don't know how to put this, but I'm kind of a big deal.
Paddle, 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 paddle.
Here comes Michael, he's got that look like he's in too deep. That's just like him, truth be told, he needs a good night's sleep. He's not in the mood for a metaphor. Open up the car door and just turn the radio on. So long, Michael, it was nice to see you too. We see it all the time, so keep it coming. But our necks are on the line, but that's not funny. Jump in, let's save the world. Pick up your shoes and put on your sunglasses. Jump in, let's save the world. Turbo boost and we'll see who's the fastest. Jump in, let's save the world. Let's save the world. Jump in, let's save the world. Let's save the world. What's wrong, Michael? Thinking that this isn't your cup of tea. Well, no motorcycle running its best could ever mess with me. I'm too hot for a thermometer. Look at the speedometer, see me brother view. Come on, Michael, this is what we're meant to do. Come on, let's say yeah, you and me, we've got our promises to keep. Come on, let's kick off your shoes and put on your sunglasses.
Yeah, buddy.
Let's save the world. Turbo boost and we'll see who's the fastest. Jump in, let's save the world. Let's save the world. Yeah. Jump in, let's save the world. Let's save the world. Yeah. Jump in, let's save the world. Kick off your shoes and put on your sunglasses. Jump in, let's save the world. Turbo boost and we'll see who's the fastest. Jump in, let's save the world. Let's save the world. Let's save the world. Jump in, let's save the world. Let's save the world. Come on. It's not like you to turn your back and let the dark side in. Come on, my girl. Open the door and jump in.